Okay, so now we have the unboxing of the Nespresso. As I made a fresh cup of coffee, and this is going to be my afternoon project. See you, Martha. Let's see what this is here. Oh, yeah. We could just find an outlet in this old house, but we will. We'll figure this out. Ooh. I don't even know what the hell that is, but ooh. Okay. Soundproofing. Those have soundproofing. Ooh. There it is. Okay, so. Ooh. Okay. Have to unfreeze the bottles of water so they're drinkable or usable in the machine, including this one. Ooh. What we got going here? All right, I'm going to need two hands to continue this task. But look at the shiny. Ooh. All right. Stay tuned for the next video.